Hello everyone, welcome to Young Innovators. We had seen the components required to build the line follower robot and discussed about each of them in our previous video. Today we shall see how we can build a line follower robot and make it to work. The components needed for the robot is as shown. Let us start the assembly of the model. First, we will put all the components on the base plate. Next, we shall attach the sensors to the sensor plate and place that sensor plate on the base plate as shown. Now we will wire the model. The wiring goes this way. This is how the model looks when the wiring is complete. Now we shall upload the code to the Arduino. After uploading the code, we shall put the top cover Now we shall leave it on the path and check if it is following the line. Oh, it is moving out of the path. Let us tune the sensor a bit. If at any point it moves out of the path, you can check the sensors and tune it a little bit in order to make it sense the black line. Now you can see the robot following the line and moving ahead. You can make the path of your own choice and test the robot in all the paths. Hope everybody understood how to build and work with the line follower robot. Thank you for watching.